Welcome back, everybody. I got another video for you. Now, this comes from Boca Bash 2024. When there were three individuals on a jet ski and two of them decided to wear the wrong type of flotation device. Hey, guys, if you're going to go out, make sure you have the proper equipment because this brought their attention right to the FWC. So let's go ahead and take a look at this video.
Disclaimer: persons depicted in this video are presumed innocent until proven guilty in court of law. This video is for educational and news purposes only. All information has been supplied by law enforcement agencies and is considered by law to be public domain information. Body-worn camera footage has been edited for length and in accordance with YouTube community guidelines while maintaining a journalistic focus.
My boy took my life jacket by accident, so I told my boy to let me get a life jacket. Okay.
All right, you got your registration with you?
I have a picture.
Thanks, bro. You guys been out here all day?
Yeah.
All right, you guys got a fire extinguisher on board? You mind showing that to me?
You want me to take it out?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, you're good. You guys got the whistle there? All right.
It got expired recently.
Motor safety card? You got a picture of it or something you can show me? Or you got a picture of your driver's license, anything?
I got my driver's license.
Yeah, I'll take it.
See if you find the border ID.
Thank you. You got them? Any priors or anything? You got anything to drink today? You got anything to drink today?
Just like 2 cups.
You mind hopping on board so I can check your eyes, make sure you're all right to drive? Just a little glossy, so I just want to take a look at them. Do you have any defects with your eyes? Are you sick or injured? Go to the care of a doctor or dentist? Under the care of a doctor or dentist? Or you take any medication or drugs? All right, first one's gonna be finger to nose. You're gonna make a fist with both hands. extend your index fingers and turn your palms forward. It's gonna look like this. Okay? Remain in this position while I explain the task. You understand? When I say begin, you're gonna tilt your head back to about a 45-degree angle and close your eyes like this, but your eyes are gonna be closed. When I tell you to, touch the tip of your nose with the tip of your index finger and immediately return it to your side. So it's gonna be the tip. This is the tip right here. Not the pad, not the side, not the fingernail. The tip's the fleshy part right beneath the fingernail. So you're gonna come, tip your nose only, and then right back to the side, okay? When I say right, you must touch your right index finger to your nose. When I say left, you must touch your left index finger to your nose. Do you understand? Okay, begin. Left. Bring it back down. Right. Bring it back down. Left. Bring it back down. Right. Back down. Right. Bring it back down. Left. All right, bring it back down. Okay. Next one's gonna be the palm pat. You're gonna place your hands palm to palm with one hand up and one hand down. It's gonna be like this. Remain in this position while I explain the task. You understand? When I tell you to begin, turn the top hand over and count out loud 1. Then turn the hand back over and count out loud 2. Count it only when the hands make contact. It's gonna be like this. 1, 2, 1, 2. Repeat this, speed up as you go, and do not stop until told. Make sure to keep your hands and fingers parallel during each pat, like this, so parallel. All right, don't cross, you want to keep them straight, fingers in line. Do you understand? Begin.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Speed up. Speed up.
Speed up.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11,
Faster.
12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21.
Okay. You're good. All right, next one. You're gonna make fists with both hands. Place your left fist at the center of your chest and your right fist against your left fist. It's gonna look like this. Remain in this position while I explain the task. You understand? When I say begin, you must perform 4 tasks. The first task is to count out loud from 1 to 4 while you move your fists in a step-like fashion, making contact between your fists at each step. It's gonna be like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Second task is to memorize the position of your fists after you have counted to 4. Clap your hands 3 times and return your fists to the memorized position. So after the 4th one,
How many times?
3 times. The third task is to move your fists in a step-like fashion in reverse order, counting out loud from 5 to 8, and return your left fist to your chest. 5, 6, 7, 8. Fourth task is to open your hands with your palms down and place them in your lap. So after 8, here. Do you understand? Okay. Begin.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After A is backwards.
Yep.
1, 2, 3.
Slow down.
There you go. All right, boss. So this time I'm going to place you under arrest for blowing on the influence. And you can stand up, put your hands behind your back. All right, go ahead and take a seat for me.
Can I call my boy real quick? He's on the phone. To see if he can.
You want to take it from here with you? You want to bring anything with you? You can bring your phone and your ID. Are you okay to drive?
She's okay. I've been talking to her.
Okay.